BJP's 400 Par war erupting yet again. We're looking at Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma saying that they are sure to cross the 400 mark, and that's a promise they make, while you have Giriraj jumping in, attacking the Gandhis and the Congress, boasting of Ram Mandir after 300 Par, and now expect more mandirs to come up with a 400 Par victory. Let me take you through exactly what was said. Let's listen in.
पंडित नेहरू ने भारत में हिंदुओं के साथ धोखा दिया और 400 से पार जब सीट आएगा तो भारत का विकास, भारत का विरासत, काशी, मथुरा, अयोध्या जो हम कहते थे, ये सारे के सारे विरासत को हम ऊंचाई पर ले जाएंगे.
All right, hey, let me cut across to Himanta Biswa Sarma as well, what he said. In fact, the Assam Chief Minister has said it is inevitable that the BJP will manage to win much above 400 seats, the NDA as an alliance. And as they exude confidence, you have Union Minister Giriraj who says more mandirs will come up if we do win 400 and more.
जब हमारा 300 सीट था, हमने राम मंदिर बनाया. अभी हमारा 400 सीट होगा, मथुरा में भी कृष्ण जन्मभूमि बनेगा और ज्ञान व्यापी मस्जिद का जगह में बाबा विश्वनाथ का बड़ा भव्य मंदिर बनेगा. तब हमें सीट देते रहिए. और मुगलों ने जितना कारनामा करके गया था, हम लोग सब साफ करते करते चला जाऊंगा. भारत को साफ करने का अभी बहुत कुछ बाकी है ना, अभी भी तो काम खाली नहीं हुआ है.
All right, let me cut across to our correspondent Piyush for more on that. Piyush, we surpass 400 mark. Expect more temples to come up. This is Union Minister Giriraj himself saying to the media. Give us more on the background, the context of what he said.
Well, Amila, this statement is certainly going to stir a massive political controversy where we can expect the likes of Aswaduddin Owaisi, Samajwadi Party, Congress leaders to come out and react on the statements being made not only by Giriraj Singh but also by Himanta Biswa Sarma. Remember that in the past few days, BJP leaders have been claiming that 400 par is going to be the reality, and it was Prime Minister who exudes the confidence also in his interview to India Today Group. Now what we are seeing is the comments coming in from the leader side, Himanta Biswa Sarma, where he says that when we had 300 seats in our kitty, we built Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, and when we will have 400 seats, more than 400 seats, then we will have Shri Krishna Janmabhoomi Mandir there in Mathura, where we will also have a Shiv temple in Gyan Vapi, and also we will also be able to take back POK. So that's a huge claim which has been made by Himanta Biswa Sarma, and following which we are now also seeing how Union Minister Giriraj Singh is coming out and claiming that if we have more than 400 seats, then the heritage and culture of Kashi, Mathura and Ayodhya will not only be protected but will be taken upwards. So these are the statements, controversial comments being made by these leaders. We can certainly expect the opposition to react sharply on this, and it can certainly become a political controversy. Remember that 4 phases have already been passed, and in the remaining 3 phases, we're already seeing the war of words being escalated by both the sides. BJP claims we will have more than 400 seats. Opposition leaders like Priyanka Gandhi, also Mamata Banerjee, are now claiming that BJP will be wiped out when the election results are announced on the 4th of June.
So it was almost a pitch after Ram Mandir. It's the Gyanvapi mosque that will be turned around into a temple. This is an assurance given, and a union minister speaking on these lines. Give us more on the reactions that have come in. Has there been the opposition commenting on it, reacting to his statement yet?
Well, as of now, there is no comment coming in from the opposition leaders, but certainly we can expect the likes of Aswaduddin Owaisi, Congress, Samajwadi Party to react on this. Earlier, also we have seen these leaders commenting on such temple comments being made by the BJP leaders. And this is coming at a time when 4 phases of elections have already been completed, and we can expect the election campaign of BJP to be focused on these things only because the BJP is saying that if we have more numbers, we will have more temples and more construction of temples are taking place across the country. So as of now, there is no comment coming in. We can expect the opposition to react sharply on this.